Hey, how's it going? This is Connor from Westside Construction. We're doing a repairability test on our mutual homeowner. Um, we're going to be removing this shingle right here. This shingle. It was part of all this wind damage that occurred during that weather event. So we're going to remove this shingle to kind of start our repair here. So first thing I got to do is I got to unseal this shingle here. Unseal this one. And I got my insurance approved roof snake to do this repair with. Unseal this shingle, the one above it. Unseal this shingle. We're getting this shingle out. So we're going to get that first rim of nails that's coming around here. Come down, see here. Going for this nail here. Right through. So, as you can see, the nails are kind of they're pulling right through all these the nail holes. So. A larger hole than what was previously there, making it so that, see, there it goes again, making it so that either I'm going to have to put another nail in that hole and hope that it kind of fills that hole back in, or I got to put a nail in a different hole and put sealant on that whole hole and hope it doesn't leak inside. It's okay because this is the shingle that we're going to be removing, but if that starts to happen on the shingle above the one that we're removing, because we're not going to be removing this shingle, this is going to stay, that's when it starts to become more of an issue. But we'll keep on going here and get this shingle out. Now that one did come out, but as you can see, the shingle looks like it's kind of delaminated here. In the process of me removing that, that's definitely opened up quite a bit more. We'll go on to the next one. Now in order for me to get this shingle out, I gotta get this second row of nails that's holding the top of this shingle. So I'm gonna come look underneath here. And I'm being pretty gentle. I'm being pretty gentle given, kind of like what the standard would really be in a situation like this. So, I mean, you can only be so gentle before you're unable to get it out. So you gotta kind of jam it up underneath there. That one came out. That's good. Next one. Okay. So that one failed. pretty bad. That one actually created a pretty large gash in the shingle next to where that hole is. But that nail still's gotta come out. Be the second to last one. Okay. So again, I mean, it's just pulling straight through that shingle. I mean, there's really not a whole lot I could be doing differently to make it so that that nail isn't gonna pull through that shingle like that. I mean, that's gonna be happening too. Because now either, like I said, I try and make it so that this shingle doesn't, you know, eventually leak, or I replace this shingle, and then we go back to supplements and things like that. So I would say this roof is not repairable, but we're gonna go ahead and get this wrapped up, and we'll send this off to you guys.